What's up guys, SO Lego here. It has been a long time since I've made a video, probably about 5 months or something like that, and I just decided to get back into it, carry on. Obviously it's not going to be too long since my last part, because I've had that sitting there ready to go for a while. I just haven't uploaded it. I would have uploaded it by now though, so you would have seen it. But otherwise, yeah, I guess we'll carry on and up, onwards and upwards. We left off with this on bag number 4, so I'll just grab these down, ready for it. Here we go, bag number 4. Let's crack into it. Make sure I get all that out the bag. Don't even know if that was in shot. Maybe I will do that. Right, there we go. Fetch a couple parts that fell off my table, because I've got a table now. Moving up in the world. Let's mind my fingers. Focus you down a little bit like that, and boom. Alright. First thing we're going to do is we are going to build Dobby. Dobby the house elf. So what he looks like here. With his, obviously he hasn't gotten the sock yet that he would get in the end of number 2. Got like a soft head, if that's right in saying that, and then we've also got Hedwig here. I'll show you them better in the review, which will be coming pretty soon, because we only have 4 and 5. Right, so what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be building the cake. Now, if you guys have seen Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, you will have known that this cake ruined Harry's summer, thanks to Dobby, because Dobby was trying to protect Harry, keep him from going back to Hogwarts. So one thing he did was drop this cake on the Dursleys' guests, business guests, I believe they were. Makes it all the worst. There, and another pink frosting piece, which would also be used as like a flower, I'd assume. Right, and you put the cherry on top, just like that. Right, now give it the illusion of hovering. We put in this clear plastic, well, it's all plastic, but this clear rod along with that, and it will sit like that. It's like it's floating. Ooh. Anyway, put that over over to the side too. Pretty sure that is finished. Yeah, alright. So now we're going to work more building this roof part up here. I don't know if you can't even see it. But the roof section up here. So let's build this. Put this here. That's pretty good there. Alright, so let's start placing a couple no, only need one. That's good. No. There. For a 1x2 10 piece. There. Right next to it. If I zoom, what does it do? There we go. That's even better. So I just zoomed it in. Right, I'm going to grab one of these textured bricks. Put it there. A 1x1 and one of these sloped tiles. I'll eventually get the names down for them. Alright, next what we're going to do, take a 1x3, couple of them, one on that side, one on the other, and then a couple slanted pieces that will go facing the inside. One and two. There. Right, so now a little bit more. Another textured brick on that side. And on this side, however, you're going to place 1x4 and then one of these textured bricks on the back, just like that. Okay, let's see. So I've got to do 2 of these now. So we're grabbing these big long pieces here. I'll zoom back out. Big long piece here. And we're going to be placing studs along each bit of it. So start with a silver one. And every second stud is a brown one now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's 1. Let's do the second one. Exact same thing. Silver stud on the end and brown stud every second place after it. Just like this. So yeah, I'm still working on that big project that I was talking about. I don't know if I actually have talked about it or not. Yeah, that's right. One there and the other one goes down here. Just like that. Where basically I've got all of my old Lego and I am trying my best to sort it. Alright, I'm just going to move that over there. Sort it into its sets. It's taken a long time. But what's made it take so long, or what's going to make it take so much longer, is that I've recently moved house. I've moved out of my parents' house, now living on my own, or with my flatmate. And yeah, I'm just finally really getting settled in, back into a routine. back into a routine that works for me. Right, so now we're just going to place these, same sort of deal, every second spot. This will give it a bit of texture with the roof, bit of the up and down. But yeah, finally got settled in, back into a good routine. My weekends are starting to get a bit more free, so I figured why not get back into this. I mean, I've got plenty more sets lined up, plenty more I can do. Black tile sloping pieces on everyone now. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So one here. I think it's in the last video. Pretty much the same. Yeah, so we're gonna hopefully get around to that. I've got some pretty cool sets that I've had, and I wouldn't mind taking that apart for you guys to put it back together. Stuff like the bookstore and I've got the center square, so you know, pretty big sets. What I would, however, need to do is find out how I would need to set it up, because I need a better camera setup than what I have, especially for the big ones. Like, I've got the roller coaster and that. Hopefully I'll be getting some Coolio Star Wars sets in the future. Alright, so now that we've done that, just gonna sit on this front piece. Just get that working. I think that's right. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to build this little sort of chimney. Well, I wouldn't say it's chimney feature because it's in a bit of the wrong space. Because the chimney's over here. So I'm not sure what it would be. It looks like a chimney, but it's definitely not. You'll see what I mean as soon as I finish this. Get it focus. If it wants to focus on it. Focus. There we go. There. And it's gonna go there. Just checking that they are indeed going on well. They go sort of in those gaps. Like that. I'm just really making sure that it's level, because it'd be nothing worse than not having it level. So unfortunately with this roof, I don't think it's waterproof. Something I was just thinking about, because it's raining where I am at the moment. Like, I know what have a good day to pick this up. Alright, and now every other piece, another one goes. Pretty simple, probably pretty boring episode, because it's just pretty much replacing roof tiles the whole time, but it's alright because I'm enjoying it. It's a bit of relaxation. I think I've still got this Mars rover set. I don't know if I'll end up putting it out, but when I did it, I was very sick, and I just didn't want to speak in it, so I didn't. I pretty much just said hello, how's it going, and then I was silent for the rest of the build. I might post that. I'll have to see how I sound and how I, all that jazz, how I feel. Because I might not be very good. If it's not good, I can just build it again. It's not too much trouble. Right, and that starts there. Right. Whoopsies. Dropping pieces everywhere. I've got stuff like I've also got sets like the 10-4. I've got an X-Wing. Wouldn't mind building those either for years. Which I might do. Might end up doing. Because I want to build them again. Alright, there we go. That's the tiling all laid. Looks pretty cool. I actually like it. It's very simple, but it's cool. Let's see, now we're going to build the chimney. I don't know what that is, because this looks more like the chimney than what the picture looks, or than that looks. So we're going to build this pretty quickly. 1x3, 1x2 goes up top, 1x1 next to it. That goes up there. Last textured brick on front. So you're looking like that so far. Now, 1x2 there. That there. On top. Then the brown one upside down in that hole. Just like that. Nice, simple, to the point. And there's your antenna. That goes that side. What's even cooler though is if you turn it to the back, it sort of keeps that style going. See the light on there. But another cool thing, here's our mail. I'm not actually going to show this. I'm going to save it for the review because that's cool. Something cool to show on it. But otherwise, yeah, that's us all done. Bag number 4. Not the most exciting, just really roof building. But that also marks the finish of the house. For the next one is the car. So yeah, that's awesome. Really cool. Can't wait to go back over this in the review. But otherwise, I hope you've all enjoyed this episode of Lego Harry Potter number 4 Privet Drive, set number 75968. I forgot I said that at the start. I didn't say that at the start. Forgot to. But, oh well. Now I remember I meant to say that, I'll say that. But Awesome. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.